Hi guys, so recently I received this message on my YouTube video, and this Christian said, how can we follow a tutorial when we do not have any texture, have that texture? It's useless. So basically I provide my textures and all the effects on my Patreon. Mostly effects are available there. And if you are not there, if you're not supporting me on Patreon, I have separate tutorials on texture, but still if you want to know how to create these type of any texture, so I have this video tutorial for you. So like in my engine, I have these type of noises that I have created, and these are all tileable. Okay, so you can pan these and it will look cool to make trails and other magical effect. So let's say you want to make this type of effect. So let's create this in Photoshop. So first you need to take a new canvas, and you can take 1K or 2K or 4K. Just take the square. Okay. And the process I will make faster in editing, but I'll show you what I'm doing in slow mode, in normal mode. So what you have to do, first take a canvas and make it black, control and backspace, that is the shortcut if you have that background color black here. Then I'll take the brush, and you can take any brush, just make it smaller, and then randomly